Introducing the ZWN 2.4G Remote Control Excavator Dump Truck, the ultimate simulation construction vehicle for kids. With functions like forward, backward, turn right, left, dig, and even a one-click demo, this professional RC model brings the construction site to life. The 2.4G anti-interference high-frequency remote control ensures smooth operation and allows multiple vehicles to work simultaneously without interference. Equipped with bright lights and realistic operation sounds, these vehicles provide an immersive experience, making you feel like you're on an actual construction site. Give your child the gift of adventure and learning with the ZWN 2.4G Remote Control Excavator Dump Truck. Order now and watch them become the master of their own construction site.